These men were lowering a large pipe into a ditch when the walls gave way. Watch what happened next. The men were building an underground pipeline network when one of them went into the ditch to help stabilize the pipe. In a split second, a portion of the wall collapsed and covered the worker. Going into a ditch or hole without first reinforcing the walls for better stability is a bad idea. Always follow safety precautions at the workplace. These men were moving heavy bags when something unexpected happened. Take a look. In this video, two men are seen moving a stack of heavy bags in a factory warehouse when the stacks lost control and collapsed on one of the men. Always avoid standing too close to stacked up loads because they pose a risk of sudden collapse and crush accidents. This man was working at a corridor when this happened. This man was working on large wooden sheets on a corridor when everything suddenly turned into flames. The flames may have been caused due to presence of flammable gas in the area that was ignited by the equipment the man was using. Proper ventilation of work area and regular safety checks are very important in avoiding such disasters. Take a look. He was helping a crane place a bag of heavy goods into an iron cage when the wires of the crane broke suddenly. This video highlights the importance of keeping a safe distance from heavy loads during lifting because staying too close puts a worker at risk of a crush accident. This man was working on a rotating machine when it caught him. Take a look. This worker was working on a large machine when it unexpectedly started running. The rotating parts of the machine immediately grabbed the worker's hands, and the situation quickly turned bad. This video highlights the importance of proper training of workers before they are allowed to handle or repair large workplace machines. These men are seen at a construction site trying to build a bridge when a small miscalculation turned everything into chaos. Take a look. While trying to place a large concrete load in a construction site, the load suddenly starts swinging out of control. This then caused the crane to lose balance and fall off a nearby cliff. This video highlights the importance of undergoing training before taking on difficult tasks or operating heavy machines. Always ensure cranes are well stabilized on balanced ground before using them to lift loads. This man was working on a large factory machine when it turned against him. Watch how it happened. At a coal plant, this worker was going about his normal duties when he stuck his head into a large machine to inspect his work progress. The machine, which was still on, suddenly pinned him to its edge. Never attempt to operate a large machine until you have had the proper training. This man was doing maintenance on a large truck when this happened. While a worker was performing maintenance on a truck, the hydraulic system failed, and this caused the back of the truck to trap the worker underneath. This video shows the importance of following safety precautions during maintenance or operation of large machines. It also shows the importance of proper personnel training. This man was inspecting a truck when this happened. In this video, a worker is seen inspecting the back of a parked truck when a reversing truck mistakenly hits the tailgate of the parked truck, which in turn smashes the unsuspecting worker. This video highlights the importance of proper communication between workers at a work site and the importance of always staying aware of your surrounding when working around large machines. This man was working on a factory machine when this happened. Take a look. This worker was having a normal day at his workplace when the machine caught his right hand. Following safety protocols can help prevent these kind of accidents. Never get too relaxed when using a machine, and always wear the right safety gear for the job. This worker is seen at a rooftop when something suddenly happens. Take a look. The man was inspecting a ventilation point at the roof, a building, when it suddenly exploded. This video highlights the importance of following safety precautions during a workplace procedure. Wearing safety gear before you begin potentially risky tasks is also important, as these are built to keep you safer in cases of an unexpected accident. These men were working at an excavated site when the walls gave way. Watch how it happened. These men were working at a construction site surrounded by unstable walls when the walls began to collapse. This video further highlights the importance of avoiding ditches with unstable walls. Always ensure the walls of a ditch have been reinforced using concrete and iron rods before you go into it.